Hello everybody, good morning. Say good morning you guys. Okay. Hello. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat dahil may paano kami dito. Ano nga yung tawag dyan? Dancing Queen ba?
Yes.
Babe, hi! Zel Arco, thank you. Good morning, JD Fernandez. Tagang salamat. Niperam lang ako ng mirror please. Or, I'm not sure if I have one. I'm not sure. Hello! Good morning, you guys. Hi, Papa Mer. I miss you. Okay, thank you. Okay. So, I'm just gonna put my... Hi, everybody. Good morning. GCC Malyari from the Bay Area. Amazing.
Hi, Sir Jen.
Hi, CJ.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning to my live. Say good morning. Good morning, Ian. Say good morning to my live. Hi, your Lola Pina. Oh, wow. Hi, Uncle Sean. I miss you guys. How has it been? Aloha. Are you road runner? Are you from Hawaii? Hello. Hi, Jason D. Kagigil ka na, Tori. I know, right? Hi, Bianx! Mau! Asan si Maui? Bianx! Mag-lunch na tayo next week. I think I'm medyo maluwag for next week. So I'm just getting ready for Good Morning Kapatid. It's our morning news and lifestyle show. Hello. Good morning, Ann Ramos. Good morning, Carmina. Nakakainis naman roll mo sa High Street. Very good. Hi, Torres. In fairness sa inyo, guys, tutok kayo sa High Street, I love it. Okay, so I'm just putting my lashes on because, hi, Ruby from, where did you say you were from? The States ba? Abawe, 78 from Salt Lake City, Utah. Hi. Okay, so we're just gonna put my other lash on. Very 80s tayo today, Mi. Kaninong ano yan? Kaninong playlist? Kay Direk?
Kay Direk yan.
Hi! Mil Gonzaga. Gonzga, is it? Hi, PJ! Hello, Sir PJ. How are you? Okay, I'm just sorry, guys. I'm gonna have to concentrate because I'm not very good at
Kasi Friday na, di ba?
Good morning. Well, lots of people watching from the States, Labao Meister, LA Bauer, is it? From the States. Apple. From Taiwan also. Amazing. Good morning, Peach. Hi, Sir Enzo. Alam mo bang ulam ko kanina ay mega mackerel na pula. I love it. Guys, visit my Mega Mackerel family. We are online, also in the groceries near you. Don't forget, Mega Mackerel. So if you want ng maanghang, get the red one. If you want ng parang super versatile, pwede sa pasta, pwede sa rice, pwede sa tinapay, get the natural one. Okay. Alright. So nilagay ko na yung lashes. Now, I'm gonna put, hello, Lady Lee, watching from NYC, hello, and May Armada from Macau. Uy, dami natin, Ang dami natin from, okay. Sino mo, ang isa mo pang anak sa High Street? Secret. Sikretong malupit. Okay, so, guys, kung di pa kayo nakabili ng skincare ko, it's called Dream Cake. Ito siya. This is a toner, serum, and essence in one. Super sulit. Kung wala pa kayo nito, you should buy it. It's on TikTok, Shopee, and Lazada. Lagyan natin dyan yan. Yan. Hello! Hi, Ian! Say hi! What lashes do you use? Actually, this is it. Fabulous. Hi, Joella.ph. Oh, I'm so happy. Are you happy with the Dream Cake? Because I love it. I love it a lot. It is my skincare, pero medyo bias ako. Pero again, lahat ng mga nakagamit ito, sabi nila, binabati raw sila na ano sila, ang tawag dito, blooming sila, or ano rosy yung cheeks nila. So I don't put any foundation on because I only have my skincare on me. Hi, Minnie! I miss you! Thank you, Joella. So it's almost our time. I'm gonna go live on TikTok. If you want to follow there, you can. I'll see you later. Bye!